Hi there guys, welcome back and thank you as always for your company. We've prepared another comparison video for you this time, comparing two of the better prop trading firms in the industry and two prop firms that we often refer to on the channel. This time these firms that we're going to take a look at, Forex Funds and FundedNext. So we're going to stack them up against each other and compare them based on some different topics, including their general company details, what they're offering to traders, what their community has to say about their offerings. As always, be sure to stick with us until the end. We've got discount codes for both prop trading firms that you can utilize. That being said, let's dive into the comparison. So we'll start with some general company details. Forex Funds, they were incorporated in October 2021, while FundedNext started operating in March 2022. So both relatively new, but already established themselves quite well. Regarding CEOs, Forex Funds is being run by Richard Nagy, while FundedNext CEO is Abdullah Jayed. Apologies if I mispronounce any of those. But both prop trading firms, given their success already, are being run by very successful individuals. They're doing a great job for their representative prop firms. When looking at office locations, we've got one prop trading firm located in Europe, while the other has 4 different office locations. So Forex Funds has offices in Hungary, while FundedNext is based out of the UAE, USA, UK, and Bangladesh. And let's just have a look at the maximum allocation of capital. It's a rather essential subject for traders to determine the potential of how much capital they can acquire with the respective prop trading firms. So Forex Funds allows traders to work with capital up to $400,000, while FundedNext caps the maximum allocation capital at $4 million. Right, when it comes to funding programs, there are some different structures. So out there you can find funding programs such as one-step evaluation, two-step evaluation, direct funding, and then in some cases assessment management. Now both prop trading firms offer two-step evaluation programs. FundedNext, on the other hand, also has a one-step evaluation program. Forex Funds and FundedNext two-step evaluation program is an industry standard challenge requiring traders to complete 2 steps before becoming funded and receiving profit splits. But as you can see, Forex Funds doesn't have a one-step evaluation program at the moment. Now looking at trading objectives, there are so many different aspects that we could go through. It's a rather long list, but as always, we try to narrow them down to what we feel are the most important rules and guidelines when choosing a prop trading firm. Just note though that since both prop trading firms only share a 2-step evaluation program, that's the one that we're going to be comparing. So starting with profit targets, both prop trading firms have different profit targets for each of the 2 evaluation phases. Forex Funds has a profit target of 8% in phase 1 and 4% in phase 2, while FundedNext has a profit target of 10% in phase 1 and 5% in phase 2. Now both prop firms have a maximum daily and maximum loss rule, so you're allowed to lose 5% on a daily basis and a maximum of 10% overall with both prop firms. Not that you will, but Forex Funds has no minimum trading day requirements. You simply pass your phase when you reach your profit target. FundedNext, on the other hand, has 5 minimum trading days required for each phase. Now, regarding the maximum trading day requirement, both prop firms have an identical ruling, which is 30 calendar days for phase 1 and 60 calendar days for phase 2. And in terms of profit split that each prop firm provides the profitable traders with, they have an identical starting profit split of 80% on all funding programs. However, as you can see with FundedNext, you can scale your profit split up to 90% by scaling your account balance for the first time, which also comes back to why they had a higher maximum capital allocation as well. All right, so comparing the 2-step evaluation program prices, both prop trading firms share the following account sizes: $25,000, $50,000, $100,000, and $200,000 accounts. So let's go through the prices themselves for these account sizes. The 25K account that Forex Funds offers costs 189 euros, while the FundedNext 25K account costs 199 USD. The 50K account that Forex Funds offers costs 299 euros, while the FundedNext 50K account costs $299. The 100K account Forex Funds 499 euros, while FundedNext 100K account costs $549. And the 200K account of Forex Funds costs 998 euros, while the FundedNext 200K account costs $999. In addition, though, with these prices, if you're interested in either one of these prop firms, you can also calculate the final prices with the discounts that we've got ready for you. So as always, make sure you get your hands on those at the end. In terms of trading platforms, True Forex Funds allows their traders to choose between MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5. FundedNext, on the other hand, only allows traders to choose MetaTrader 4 as their trading platform. When it comes to brokers, True Forex Funds is partnered with a Tier 1 liquidity provider that allows them direct market access. FundedNext, on the other hand, is partnered with a well-established brokerage in 8cap. All right, let's have a look at the trading instruments. Can see a little bit of a difference here. True Forex Funds and FundedNext, they do still allow you to trade a wide range of instruments, but both allow traders to trade Forex pairs, commodities, and indices. However, as you can see, True Forex Funds also enables you to trade cryptocurrencies, bonds, and futures, which FundedNext does not. So that's keeping in mind for depending on what sort of trading style you're interested in. Now that we've gone through the trading platforms and instruments, let's cover the commissions that you charge while trading with each prop firm. True Forex Funds charges you $7 per round lot for Forex pairs and approximately $3.50 for commodities, while commission for prices for indices, cryptocurrencies, bonds, and futures vary depending on their Tier 1 liquidity provider. FundedNext, on the other hand, they charge you $3 per round lot for Forex pairs, while there are no commissions charged for trading commodities and indices. Another essential aspect that we always look at when giving you information on prop trading firms, and we encourage you to take into consideration, is the feedback from their community, since it does give you information and insight into the positives and sometimes drawbacks of a prop firm. So having a look at TRUSTPILOT here, at the time of recording, True Forex Funds has a rating of 4.6 out of 5 from a total of 214 reviews, and FundedNext has a rating of 4.4 out of 5 from a total of 231 reviews. So pretty similar in their rating and the number of reviews, keeping in mind that both prop firms are still relatively new, but as you can see, they are starting to establish themselves rather quickly. But again, do your own research and have a look into these ones. They are certainly legitimate and some of the leading prop firms in the industry, but take a look at the feedback from the community, and we believe it'll give you a great insight into the positives and negatives of each firm. So is there a better choice? Well, to summarize and conclude, True Forex Funds and FundedNext, they're the industry-leading prop firms. They're offering excellent conditions to traders worldwide. There are some small differences, which include the funding programs. True Forex Funds has a single two-step evaluation, and FundedNext has a one-step and a two-step evaluation program. Another difference would be trading objectives. Both prop firms rather have different profit targets in both phases. Trading platforms, True Forex Funds is partnered with a Tier 1 liquidity provider that allows them to access the market directly, while FundedNext is partnered with 8cap. Note that both prop firms allow you to trade on MetaTrader 4, while True Forex Funds also enables an additional trading platform, which is MetaTrader 5. Both prop firms allow you to trade Forex pairs, commodities, and indices. And then as we went over, True Forex Funds also allows you to trade cryptocurrencies, bonds, and futures. The commission for opening and closing positions is slightly better for FundedNext, since they only charge you $3 per round lot on Forex pairs, while there are no commissions for trading commodities and indices. Commissions at True Forex Funds are slightly higher. Just note that commission prices with many trading instruments vary with True Forex Funds, because their Tier 1 liquidity provider is always trying to implement the best possible prices. And then the last but also very important factor that we looked at is the community feedback that each prop firm receives. They are very similar in terms of their review rating and also the amount of reviews on TRUSTPILOT. But taking all those factors into consideration and weighing up everything both prop firms have to offer, we can safely say that both firms are for sure some of the industry-leading prop trading firms. They're only going to continue to grow and get better and more established, and they are a great fit for lots of different styles of traders. It really depends on overall preference, but hopefully going over some of these details has been helpful for you in determining which one might be best for you. Well, that's what I've got for you on this one, guys. Thank you as always for watching. Please subscribe to watch more reviews and comparison videos on different prop firms. In the link below, you will find the discount codes for both prop firms that we spoke about today, and that is what we do with all prop firms that we either review or compare. So please utilize those if any of these prop firms interest you in taking the steps to become a funded trader. Otherwise, I look forward to seeing you on the next video.